coincidentally, this little puddle remaining after the flood, I didn't see any tadpoles in it, but the frogs were going crazy this morning. But I just wanted to make a note that this is where I had a Gila monster sighting last year. In fact, it was right here in all this brush where it climbed up. Topography's changing because of the flood, but this is generally where one of the sightings was. But I don't see any Gila monster tracks this morning yet. There's something interesting. What's this? This happens every summer. But look at what I got here. Tracks. Look at this. Well, I don't know. That, claws are sticking out. But that, what else is in here? Well, it looks like rats. There's little rat tracks. There's lizard tracks. Definitely little mice tracks. Look at that. Mouse tracks. Mouse tracks, rodent tracks, bird tracks, probably quail or something. That's one thing I love about it after it rains in the Vekol Wash, that we do get a multitude of tracks in the mud. I could come out here and see what's been out here. It's fascinating, actually. Look at that. Well, that's a lizard right there. Look at these weird tracks. Gosh, this is like the gold mine of tracks. Well, I guess I'll have to do a video called Tracks. Tracks after a monsoon. Probably coyote. Because I've filmed these before and I was told they were coyote. They get kind of big here. Stinks right here. This is the old swimming pool. I used to bring my dogs out here, let them swim in this after a flood. But now it's kind of stinky, and I'm glad I didn't bring them today. They would have been a mess. But this place is usually loaded with tracks. Animals come down here to get drinks. It's like a watering hole in the Serengeti. After monsoon season, the Vekol Wash is like an oasis. Look at those tracks. The light's a lot better. I want to get the javelina tracks on this camera. Too small to be mule deer, because I did the mule deer the other day, but looks like we've got other types of prints mixed in with it. Maybe a cat caught the javelina right here, and that's what all this scuffle is about. You see how clear they are? Clear javelina, way too small. It's not even an inch long to be mule deer. And then right by it, Looks like a bobcat. So look at this right here. There's a lot of dirt that's stirred up. It's like a scuffle happened right here. The javelina track does go across the road here. Look, there's the javelina, and there's the bobcat or the coyote. I'm assuming it's bobcat or small mountain lion. But anyway, and then it caught up with it right there. That's where the skirmish was. And somebody probably had javelina for dinner. It's hard to tell. And this is probably coyote because you can see the claw tips at the end of the points. This is what was following the javelina. Yeah, this is coyote. Probably coyote. I have to get a javelina.